Welcome to this instructional video on how to solve the quadratic equation 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step solution to finding the roots of this equation. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Step 1. To begin solving the quadratic equation 3x squared plus 6x plus 3, we first look for a common factor across all terms. In this case, 3 is a common factor for each term. By factoring out the 3, we rewrite the expression as 3 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1. This simplification helps to make the equation easier to handle in subsequent steps. Step 2. Now that we have factored out the common factor, we are left with solving the quadratic expression x squared plus 2x plus 1. We notice that this expression can be rewritten as the square of a binomial. Specifically, x squared plus 2x plus 1 is the same as the quantity x plus 1 squared. This is because when we expand x plus 1 squared, it results in x squared plus 2x plus 1. Therefore, the original expression 3 times x squared plus 2x plus 1 can now be written as 3 times the quantity x plus 1 squared. Since we are solving for when this expression equals 0, we set 3 times the quantity x plus 1 squared equal to 0. To isolate the variable, first, divide both sides by 3, resulting in x plus 1 squared equals 0. Next, we take the square root of both sides, giving us x plus 1 equals 0. Finally, we subtract 1 from both sides to solve for x, giving us x equals minus 1. This completes the simplification and solution of the quadratic equation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.